In this video, I'm going to show you how to get 3D map on Strava. So the first thing you want to do, of course, you want to open up your Strava app, and then once you do this, you want to tap on Maps, which is going to be at the very bottom, so second tab, and then in here you can see your map over here. It's the map of the world, and then if you want to actually get the 3D map, what you're going to have to do is click on 3D, which is one of these buttons over here at the bottom right, but of course when you click that, there's a caveat. Now, you will have to have a Strava subscription if you actually want to use 3D maps. So over here, they will allow you to actually try it out for free for 30 days. And then if you press continue over here, you can just start your free trial. And then of course, you can start it whenever you want. And you will be able to see that once you put in your payment details, you'll get the free trial and you'll be able to view the 3D maps. Now, of course, unfortunately, as of right now, without the premium subscription on Strava, you will not be able to use the 3D maps, but of course the feature is there, so whenever you want it, you can click on 3D over here and just view it like this in case you do have a subscription. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.